afternoon to you. We're in such a special place.
Yes, we are here. Mokutanya. Yeah.
Yes. What does that mean in Japanese?
Mokutanya is actually charcoal.
Charcoal, okay. Right, right.
Charcoal.
Okay. And a very special restaurant. They specialize in basically charcoal grilled foods.
Charcoal grill.
Right, right. And fortunate to be with the owner. This is Joe.
Hello.
Hey, Joe. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Yes, you have a restaurant that's been around for 10 years. That's amazing. What amazing success. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Tell me about the concept. How did you come across this concept? And how did you come up with this idea?
Okay, the idea is like, before we open this restaurant, me and my partner is like, we mainly do construction business, contract. So one day, he's telling me, hey, Joe, why don't we open a restaurant or whatever, okay? So we decided to what kind of restaurant, and he said, hey, why don't we just open some kind of Japanese, like we can drink, those kind of restaurant. And then we come with the idea yakitori stuff, because me and him is always go out and eat and drink. So then we decided to open this kind of restaurant. Then the first difficulty is how do we do our food, because we never done this kind of stuff before. And then we just have to do some research, do some preparation at work. So we just have to cut some beef or chicken and then grill ourselves and see if that's like up to the standard.
Right.
So that is the whole idea on this.
So how did you find the recipes? Because I know that was kind of the most difficult part, right?
I know. We have to done a lot of research. Okay, so the look is we can get it from the website. Okay, and the book, but the taste is different. So we have to test a lot of like chicken, a lot of beef. Okay, to get the right taste.
Right.
For us. So that'll take us almost half year to get those kind of stuff done. Yes.
So you're the chef now too, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Me and him, we've done a lot of research on the sauce, the soy sauce, or all kind of stuff. Okay. So that's the difficult part too.
Right.
Yeah, the main part.
Right.
Yes.
So how do you feel from construction work into restaurateur? Are you happy you made the change, or you think you should
in the beginning, we just try having fun, okay, after work. So that is the whole idea, okay. But after we having this restaurant, I think we like it, okay.
Yeah.
So we just continue doing. Okay. So we love it, okay. So the food and the drink, then we enjoy the people coming enjoyment at nighttime. So I can talk to different people almost every day.
That's nice.
So I know people.
What are your hours here? How late do you open?
See, before the pandemic, it's like from 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. every day.
Okay.
So, but after the pandemic, right now it's like I think it's like 5 to 12.
5 to 12. Okay.
5 to 12. Okay.
All
so that's temporary. Okay. Probably later we're gonna back to the normal business hours.
Okay.
Depends on the pandemic.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So.
Tell us about your most popular dishes. What do you sell the most of here?
The Wagyu beef.
The Wagyu beef, right?
The Wagyu
Everybody
beef.
wants it.
Yeah, everyone wants it. The Wagyu beef and the chicken is pretty popular too.
Yeah.
So those two items is like we sell almost like 9 to 10,000 skewers each month. Okay.
9 to 10,000 skewers a month.
Yeah.
Wow.
Month, okay, so,
that's huge.
Yeah.
Harrison, can you imagine making those skewers 9 to 10,000 a month? That is crazy. That's like 300 a day, right? Something like that.
Yeah.
Wow, that is nuts. That is a lot.
Okay, so.
And your Wagyu is from where?
From the U.S.
From the U.S. U.S. Wagyu.
Yeah, U.S. Wagyu from the Snake River Farm.
Okay,
Yes.
Snake River Farm. I heard that about them before.
I think that's a good one.
Okay.
Yeah, we've done a lot of research on this.
All right.
So, yeah.
That sounds good. We can't to try it, huh? Can't wait to try it. Here's something.
I see the menu on the online.
Oh yeah.
So many
items, right? Yes. So, all right, let's go back to the kitchen and see what they're doing, and maybe we can try some things.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hiro-san, you ready?
Sure.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Wow, it looks beautiful, huh?
If you eat one shot this one, be careful inside. It's
Yeah, it
very
might be
hot.
very hot.
Yeah.
Two thumbs up. Nice, nice.
Some sharing chopsticks right here.
Hiro-san. We're in heaven now.
White beef tataki with the spicy masala. This is the machi carpaccio with the tomato and green scallions and daikon.
All right, Hiro-san, enjoy another beautiful
Machi
dish. Look
carpaccio.
how nice this is done.
Corn sauce.
Ponzu sauce?
Toriko. Tanchi.
Chicken thigh with green onions. Chicken gizzards. This is the spicy American white beef. Bacon cherry tomatoes.
Oh wow.
The salt and pepper American ribeye beef. The bacon asparagus. Chicken hearts. This is the sweet American wagyu beef.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Ankimo. Foie gras from ocean.
Foie gras from the ocean.
Ocean.
How's it? Good?
Very good.
Yeah. That's what they say.
But I don't have a sushi chef.
Oh yeah,
They always ask me.
we should talk about it. Yeah.
Yeah.
King oyster mushroom.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Pork belly. Okra.
Okra.
And our unagi skewer.
Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks really good. Hiro,
Thank you.
can't believe we waited so long to come here. Can't we waited so long to come here? That's all Isaac's fault. Isaac, you're holding out. You're not letting us know about these amazing places.
It's too far from my house.
Oh, true. No, it's not true at all. Hiro-san, what a great meal. What was your favorite tonight?
Like a kushiyaki, and also the cold ramen noodle, and also tonkotsu ramen.
Right,
That was my favorite.
right. Also good.
Everything, actually, everything.
Yeah, everything, right? You guys saw from the selection so many things to choose from. I want to thank our host, Joe. From
Thank you.
contractor to restaurateur chef, right? And thank
you,
you so
guys.
much for having us. Really appreciate that.
Thank you, thank you. Next time you guys in the area, make sure you guys try this brand, Headstand from Napa Valley.
Definitely try it.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, we're in the Burlingame area, just south of San Francisco. About 15-20 minutes. So thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Joe.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
And we'll see you very, very soon.
All right.